there's two mentalities. There's a scarcity mentality that says there's not enough, and there's an abundant mentality that says there's more than enough. So the question is, why do I do this? Right? Is it, to be on stage and no, I don't really care about that. Is it for the money? Definitely care about more money in real estate than this, right? So what is it? Is that I love changing lives. There's nothing like it. Real estate is a selfish business. Do you know what I mean? It's about you do a transact, you get a house under contract. Yeah, I made 50 grand. You get it. Yeah, I made, you do that the first couple of times. You're like, yeah. Then after that, they're just wires into the account. That's it. What type of impact are we making? We're making an impact for maybe the buyer, the seller. We're helping them achieve their goals. But it's a very small impact. So it's a very self-centered business about making a business to make profit. Maybe it's going to impact your family, and maybe it could impact other families. But for me, I've always looked at it as impacting other people's lives in a positive way. Now, tomorrow, Joe Taylor is going to be talking, and I'm talking about impact, right? So Joe Taylor came to me, made $311,000 a year. He was a one-man show, did everything himself, took all the phone calls, booked all the appointments, went on all the appointments, went on all, got the contracts, did all that. Talked to the buyers, sold the properties, 7 days a week. Hustling. And if he wasn't there, he didn't make money. And he called me up, and he was stressed to the hilt. Stressed. He hadn't taken a day off for years, right? Years. His relationship with his beautiful fiance or girlfriend, fiance, he actually got engaged in Cabo, which is killer, but that he absolutely loved was on the rocks. His relationship with his kids were tough. And he came to me in literally just help. And we show them essentially what we're going to show you here today. And what you're going to learn this weekend is about systems, right? And tomorrow is about lead generation. The exact same thing that we shared with him. I mean, he sent me a video from Hawaii. And, you cannot fake gratitude. You can't do it. You can't fake authenticity. Can't do it. He sent me a video that, he's in Hawaii. He's getting in shape. He's spending time with his family. He got engaged at Cabo. He's doing more business today than he's ever done his entire life. Changed his life. Not changed his life, but changed his kid's life. Changed everything. Jonathan Rankin, he was supposed to speak this weekend. He's actually in the delivery room right now with kids. But the bottom line, Jonathan Rankin, I met him in Atlanta at Extreme Freedom event. He came to our VIP day, stood up in front of the room, and scared to death. He didn't know what to do. He wanted to do real estate, kind of just going back and forth. And he went out after that event, quit his job, made $86,000 the first month after he quit his job, and last year did $1.9 million in revenue. Crushing it. And having an incredible life. Not being able to walk away and still have income coming in. Francisco. I met him at the first Extreme. Was it the first one? Atlanta. You were in Atlanta too. Same thing. That is why I do this. And I'm telling you, the fulfillment is amazing. So whatever you get out of this weekend, right, you guys are great. You guys are all rock stars. You're all doing amazing things. You know what? Pay it forward. Give back to other people. People are going to ask you, and you're going to be a leader. Don't have a scarcity mindset. right? Have an abundant mindset because you know what? You can change people's lives. And that might be all frou-frou, and you change people. I want to get rich. Okay, well, once you become 47, then you realize it's, you grow up a little bit. But I get it.